What's happening, troops? This is going to be a video about how to make a rotor production line at the start of the game. This is a setup that I've been using in my streaming world, and it's worked for me great so far. It was recommended to me by one of the subs on stream, so I thought I'd make a guide on how to make it. Overall, this production line consists of 7 constructors, 2 smelters, 1 assembler, 3 splitters and 3 mergers, and it's going to consume about 60 watts of power. The materials you're going to need to build this is 22 reinforced iron plates, 4 rotors, 68 cable, 16 wire, 12 iron rods and 12 iron plates. So without further ado, let's get into the construction. As for the size of the platform, it really depends on where you're building it, but for the purposes of this video, I've built a platform that's 6 foundations wide and 10 foundations long. You can really set this up however you want to, but this is just how I chose to do it. You're going to need to have 60 iron ore coming from somewhere, whether it be a normal iron node or 2 impure iron nodes. For the purposes of this video, I've got 2 impure iron nodes going into 2 smelters as shown here. After you've placed your smelters, you're going to want to place down 4 constructors, 2 in front of each smelter. You're going to want to set them to produce iron rods. We'll handle all of the connections with the conveyors and splitters later in the video. Depending on how you're looking at it, you're going to want to place 3 more constructors down on the right hand side in front of the 2 constructors that you've just placed. You want to set all 3 of them to produce screws. Now for the final building, just place down your assembler either in the middle of the platform or in front of the 3 constructors. It's entirely up to you. So now we'll start connecting all the buildings together. What you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to place a conveyor splitter in front of both of these smelters, and then you're going to have 2 conveyor belts coming out of the splitters into both of the constructors, like shown here. Now for this part, place down a merger and a splitter in between the groups of constructors and connect them up like so. You want to place another merger in front of the other 2 constructors and then connect them up. Have all 3 constructors go into a merger and then connect the merger into the assembler. Finally, connect the merger of the other 2 constructors into the assembler. Now all you need to do is connect all the buildings to a power source, and then that's it. Your production line should be up and running. Like I said at the start of the video, this production line has been used in my streaming world. I live stream 4 times a week on Twitch TV/NoSuchLad. So feel free to go over there and give it a follow and drop in when I'm live and say hello. This is the first YouTube video that I've made in a long time, so if you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have any suggestions for future videos, just drop them in the comments, and thanks a lot for watching.